Hi, I'm Jennifer Boykin, President of Newport News Shipbuilding, and behind me is the Newport News waterfront, home of always good ships. I want to take this opportunity, the anniversary of the USS Thresher, to talk about the importance of the quality in the work that we do. Some of you may be familiar with this story, others of you might be hearing it for the first time, but it is a story that we should never forget.
On April 10, 1963, submarine USS Thresher began a dive to test depth off the coast of New England as part of her sea trials. After the crew initially reported minor difficulties, communications with the submarine were lost and all 129 on board perished. Although Newport News Shipbuilding didn't build Thresher, we honor that legacy every day.
We honor those lives by reinforcing a culture of safety in our own jobs across our entire shipyard and in all programs. This includes not only the nuclear-powered submarines we design, build, and maintain, but aircraft carriers as well.
We honor those lives by caring for each other because safety goes beyond our own job. It means watching the back of the person next to you, speaking up, and asking the extra question and paying attention to detail. Double or triple checking work can mean the difference between safety and a tragedy at sea.
We honor those lives by working together to find innovative solutions and using new technology to build ships more efficiently. Delivering quality ships that the Navy demands to protect our country is what drives us.
Some of us served on Navy ships before coming to NNS. Others know sailors who are deployed and sailing into harm's way. They entrust their lives to us, and we take the responsibility seriously. The submarines and aircraft carriers we build defend our freedom around the world, but it is just as important that they bring our sailors home safely to their families.
The Navy and shipbuilding industry learned hard lessons from the Thresher tragedy, but we are better for it today. The stellar safety record of Navy ships at sea is proof, but we can never stop learning. That's our promise.